Good day all, you are welcome to today's training. We'll be looking at the production of bleach. Bleach production is a very simple process. Anyone can start this. The cost of production is so cheap that capital shouldn't be a challenge. Today we are producing 1 liter amount of bleach. Now the materials required for the production of bleach are very simple. They are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different materials. Now here we have our STPP, which is 12.5 gram. Here we have our caustic soda, which is 25 gram. Here we have our soda ash, which is 50 gram. And here we have our HTH, which is 162.5 gram. Now there are a lot of method used in the production of bleach, but the method we'll be showing you here is very easy and it does not require so many buckets in the production. Now the first step I'm going to be doing is, this is my 1 liter of water. I'm going to be dividing it into two. So this will be 500 ml. So this is 500 ml now. Now the next step is, I'm going to be adding my HTH to it. When I add it, I'm going to stir properly. Now this is my HTH. HTH is also known as chlorine. So I'll be stirring it. Remember, this method we are using is a method that minimizes the use of production buckets. So you stir your HTH, you stir it for 5 minutes. Yes, you can see now that our HTH has fully dissolved. Now the next step involves adding our soda ash to the solution. Now I'm going to be adding my soda ash to the solution and I'm going to stir for 5 minutes. Now we've seen that our soda ash has dissolved. Now the next thing we'll be adding is our STPP, which is a foaming agent. We are going to be adding our STPP to this and then we'll stir for 2 minutes. Now we can see that the STPP has dissolved. Now the last thing we're going to be adding is our caustic soda. We're going to add it and then we'll stir the solution for 5 minutes also. So we will notice that all our materials, the ingredients, have fully dissolved. Now what we are going to do now is, we are going to leave this for 5 good hours. Then after 5 hours, we are going to add the remaining 500 ml of water to this. And after that, we'll leave it overnight or for 24 hours. After which, we will now separate our clear solution, which is our bleach. Now, let's see how this will be in the next 5 hours. Yes, this is our bleach. This is what is obtainable after 5 hours of leaving it. Now, what we're going to do now is, we're going to add the other 500 ml of water to it, and then we'll leave it for 24 hours, after which we will now separate. Now let's see how it's going to be in 24 hours time. See you. Now this is 24 hours after. Now we've been able to separate some of the bleach. Now you can see how the bleach is. It is pure. Now some of these ones here, you notice that there are still some particles, still allow it to stay a little bit, and then you separate, you decant it. Now if you don't want to go through this process, one thing you can do is you can just add alum to this. When you add alum to this, the particles will settle down and then you can be able to separate the clear portion. Now this is the end of our training for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Some other time we are going to teach you another practical. Always join us.